Presido Buhari don meet with Presido of Malawi, Tome and Principe, Equitorial Guinea. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk say democracy for Africa don go through plenty rough road. Say for democracy to stand gidigba for Africa, the citizens must know say their leaders dey respect their constitutional rights. Buhari talk this one when he meet with Malawi Presido Lazarus Chakwera for African Union Summit wey shele for Malabo, Equitorial Guinea for Friday, May 27, 2022. Foreign Affairs Minister Geoffrey Oyema come tell tori pipo say Presido Buhari and Lazarus Chakwera chook mouth for the relationship between Nigeria and Malawi.
The president talked about the history of Nigeria in supporting during the apartheid years Southern Africa. Nigeria was considered a frontline state in the fight against the apartheid, and that he was serving under leaders at that time who prioritized the fight against apartheid, which made Nigeria a frontline state, even though Nigeria was not in Southern Africa. And he said, so the links with Southern Africa has always been strong, and that it will continue to be, and he would support and do everything possible to cooperate and assist Malawi and other Southern African countries. The Malawian president was talking about some of the challenges the country has been facing in the area of agriculture, energy, and also how to strengthen relations with Nigeria. That Malawi wants to open a diplomatic mission in Abuja, and that is something they hope to do very, very soon. He would like to see an increase in trade between the two countries.
Malawi Presido come talk say Presido Buhari na statesman for Africa, and im country dey ready to sabi from Nigeria experience for agriculture, infrastructure development and security matter. Presido for Tome and Principe, Carlos Villanova, and Presido for Equatorial Guinea, Theodoro Oboingwema Masogo, come meet with Presido Buhari. Buhari come promise say Nigeria go continue to be senior brother to other African countries. Ebu Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.